2013 was a challenging year for nickel mining companies and the entire junior mining sector. Nickel stood at $8 as we began the year and steadily fell to trade in a range of between $6 and $6.50 for the second half of the year. Since the beginning of 2014, the nickel price has strengthened in response to the Indonesian nickel ore export ban and the geopolitical situation in the former Soviet Union, a major nickel-producing region. First Nickel share price has reflected these price trends over time. The good news is that First Nickel successfully responded to these challenges and took the actions that were necessary to protect the company. We did this by successfully meeting our production targets and reducing operating costs at Lockerbie, as well as reducing expenditures across the board and raising additional shareholder financing. 2013 was the first full operating year since we brought the Lockerbie mine back into production. We improved our safety record with no lost time injuries during the year and achieved the highest level of production at the Lockerbie mine in the past 20 years. As a further response to the nickel price environment, we increased our revolving credit facility by $8 million and raised an additional $10 million of shareholder financing. The combination of reduced expenditures and additional shareholder financing allowed us to end the year with $8.6 million of cash and available credit. With regard to the financial results, we did incur a sizable net loss for the year, which was primarily driven by lower nickel prices, the related asset impairments, and charges related to our debt restructuring. However, our operating cash flow was only marginally negative for the year, which really does demonstrate the strength of our underlying business. As we head into 2014, we will continue to focus on three primary objectives: maximizing the value of the Lockerbie mine, protecting the balance sheet liquidity, and building the company through acquisitions of base metal assets with the support of our major shareholders, Resource Capital Funds and Westface Capital. Having successfully navigated through 2013, FNI is now well positioned to benefit from higher nickel prices and a weaker Canadian dollar in 2014. I'd like to thank all of our employees and stakeholders who responded positively over the course of the year and played an important role in positioning FNI to be successful as we head into 2014.